All right, so I ordered the arch day arms for this awesome guy here. So 15 Kawasaki Teryx, got the one side on. Figured I'd do a little video on how I get the ball joints pressed in to the new A arms. I looked all over, didn't see anything, so figured I'd make a little video on how I press them. So I went to AutoZone and ordered or rented this. It's a OEM number 27163. It goes on a Saturn, I believe, but it fits perfectly on top of the ball joint. All right, see. So you got the ball joint gets pressed in, fits perfectly over the boot, and then sits right on top of the O-ring that needs it. Harbor Freight bought the little 6-ton shop press. So what I had to do was I had to take that bottom piece out. You may have a bigger shop press than me, and took one of the blocks, set it on there, and then put the ball joint. And what I did was I cut a, this was a hole saw. I just cut the teeth off of it. It's 1 3/4 inches. Yeah, 1 3/4 that fits over the ball joint, so it'll actually fit inside inside the arch day arm perfectly. So it's got a flat surface. Because what I was running into was if you just tried to press it right here, it pretty much, when you would try to press it, it would just bow it up like that and sling it out of the press. So, all right, so I welded a little spot on there to keep stuff from sliding off. But what I do is I put that little nut right there, or bolt, and try to get it perfectly on there. So I got the ball joint inside the adapter. So you want to take and place that piece in there just like that and set it up on there. If you got the bigger press, it'd probably be a lot easier to deal with, but this is all I got. So, all right, so it fits perfectly on there. I looked for a video on this and could not find anything. So trial and error. Oh, hang on a minute. Let me get this fixed. Sorry for the crappy camera work. Seeing if it's pressing it. This is one-handed with a camera in my hand, doing it. And all this is a 6-ton press. Perfect. This is for the top. Easy. Alright, so pressed that one in and realized that that ball joint is not very good. So the way I get them out is pretty much use air hammer. Pop them right out. See if I can get it on video.